Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, one of the things we can expect to see on tonight's episode of Uthando Nesthembu. Remember, we are still on that scene of Usamke being welcomed by the Cele family. So uMacele's brother is busy speaking to Usamke, telling Usamke ukuthi umseleko ufuna ingane. And uMacele, like, she just opened her mouth, she's so surprised. And I get it ukuthi like why she's so surprised, because ungenaphi ubhuti kaMacele. Like, I get it ukuthi the Celes are welcoming Usamke, but I feel like that was more of uMacele's position to speak about those things. Like, why does he feel the need to even say that? But anyway, uMacele is like, yo bafo uyahlupha uSbu. So he's one of those uncles vele, guys. We've seen him before. Ukuthi he's outspoken, he's not afraid to say anything. But ngesinye isikhathi, guys, you need to have a filter nyana, especially towards people that you don't know. I mean, he doesn't even know Usamke. He doesn't even know if Usamke ben Umselegu have had that conversation and whatnot. So I just think that was not his place, you guys. But you know the trailers, guys, the way they edited it. It looks like Usamke is kind of rolling her eyes to that. I'm like, yili girl, awuzimisela ukuzala or what? Ayibo, you think ukuthi you still come here to slay? No, girl, you're not here to slay. You are here to build the system, as Umselegu calls it. The system, you are here to keep the system functioning. And Umselegu has a target. Now, I don't know, guys, if Umselegu uselapho when it comes to indaba yengane, because honestly, I haven't heard him touch on it in a while. Because it does seem like now he's a bit more sensitive and a lot more knowledgeable to know that these things, yes, it's supposed to come easily to women, but not all women bear children easily or get pregnant easily. So it is a sensitive topic to just be tossing around and, type of thing. So I haven't heard him say to speak about it in a while, but I'm just like, Usamke, I hope ukuthi uzimwisele ukele. But her facial expression, she's sitting there and you can see, I feel like her facial expression is like saying with Diego and ngiyabuza kodwa, like, really? I'm not here for you, I'm here for my man, and ngizozwa ngendoda yami, hayi ngawe, type of thing. But I really hope ukuthi she really didn't roll her eyes the fact that they said ukuthi uzozala ingane, because that is part of the assignment. Or I mean, did I not get something? But one thing about Umselegu, guys, did he not promise Umbalo ukuthi ugcina ngaye? So Umselegu has a tendency ukuthi emacamereni, in the closet, in behind closed doors, he's promising these women other things, and then in public it's a different thing. But let's wait and see, because I'm excited to see ukuthi, like, what's her comment regarding the children type of situation. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.